Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do the crackle or the dragon scale skin. Why do I say scale? Skin effect again. So this is my dark blue which I want to use, and there I'm gonna use some teal color. Just mixing it very well. I'm sorry that I didn't show you the amounts because I wanted to have both modes into the camera, so just make sure you don't use too much but also not too little, so it's just sort of opaque. And the last color is the number 18 from the White Aura box from MrsColorBerry. So all my colors today are from MrsColorBerry. It's practical for me at the moment because they are coming into a box. Well, not always, but the ones I have. So I have the carrot box and the White Aura box. And the colors are from there. What I'm also using from MrsColorBerry is a Crystal Resin. So I'm now pouring in circles around my mold. And yeah, I'm just cleaning my sticks. And then I want to pour on top of my clear with the dark blue. There you go. Yeah, like I said, I'm moving very soon, so I'm not as active in resin at the moment, and I hope, once I'm moved and I have my own space, I will be more back into action. So this is the teal on top, and that is now the number 18 from MrsColorBerry, and it's a sparkly gold, and I'm not sure what to expect. So it's the first time I'm using it, and also in this technique. Just let's wait and see. And now my second coaster, and I pour this exactly the same way like the first one. So by the way, the mold I'm using is the ribbed coaster mold and the coaster holder mold from Molds and Shapes. I link them into my description box like always, and if you're interested in this mold or any other of the molds, please use my promo code PT5 to get 5% discount. The molds are really amazing. And I'm only using Molds and Shapes, so I can really speak from experience. I really adore the molds and also the idea they have in new designs. Anyway, for my third and fourth coaster, I pour first the teal, then the dark blue. I think it's a midnight. I think it's called midnight. I hope so. And the number 18. Yeah, I'm actually looking forward to move and to have my own space, so I can just leave everything how it is and close the door and don't disturb anyone. So this will be great. Now I'm giving it a quick torch like you saw, and please always be careful using the torch because you can easily burn your resin or your mold, and yeah, just be careful. So far I had never had an issue with this, but sometimes you see that some people just overdo it with the torch and then you have problems. So just be careful. So this is now my fourth coaster done. Now the clear again in the center. And I'm giving it a quick torch again. So as you can see in my first coaster I poured, the resin is already quite pulling to the center and it's making its pattern, hopefully. And I was first thinking of putting some cracks, golden cracks into the center, but I decided to leave it. And I hoped that the center would really close up. So there I'm mixing my colors again because I ran out of the colored resin. And I still have to do my coaster holder. And the coaster holder I want to pour a little bit different from the coasters itself. Because I want to also see what different effects I achieve with different way of pouring. So resin is always a case or a matter also of testing things and trying out new things. And this is what I really, really like. Yeah, there's always a little bit dust in my mold. But now I'm going in sort of puddles. So first the clear again. And then I go from dark to light. So there's the dark blue. There's a teal. I really like this color combination a lot. Teal and dark blue. And the sparkle. And again a little bit of the blue. The teal. And I fill my mold up with the clear, and now I'm going into the legs of the coaster holder. When you pour the legs, please don't dome them. Just make sure you just pour to the rim. Otherwise, you know, it could be that the legs don't fit into the matching holes. They might be too thick. So just pour to the rim. Now on top of the clear, I'm just pouring again the dark blue, the teal, and some sparkle, just a little bit. Well, I guess it's more than a little bit. And again the torch. And then I thought, just put something on top. I don't know if it makes sense, but if you don't try, you never know. So anyway, we wait and see if it's gonna affect or not. I also wanted to fill up my mold and I had the leftover, so I used it all up. Yeah, there was something in my mold. Now I'm doing a little bit of a pattern for my legs. And the last one. So, this is now 24 hours later. Time for demolding. Actually, you can unmold the crystal resin, I think already after 12 hours, but I needed to go to work, etc., etc. So it was only the next evening I could demold, so I'm very curious. Yeah, and the little feature, because I still had a little bit left over, so I poured into the center. And yeah, these are the legs. They have a nice crackle effect. I like it. I like the colors. Actually, the set is also for a friend, a good friend. She likes teal, turquoise colors, so I thought maybe this would be a nice idea. So this is the holder, and look at this. Okay, there's some unmixed mica, but it's from the sparkle. Actually, it looks also sparkle when you see it for real. But I really like the coaster holder. And this is the first coaster, and I must admit, the sparkle really took over. You can see the crackle effect. There you can see it better. This is the one where I think I poured first the teal. Also this one. And there the sparkle is a little bit more, yeah, not as dominant. But anyway, now you have the close-up and you see there's a really beautiful crackle effect. And somehow it looks a little bit like a firework or something in my coaster. So I really like it. And I'm very, very happy with my coaster holder. It's really very beautiful, I think. But anyway, you know, I hope you like the final result of my video and you liked my pouring. And thanks for watching, guys. Take care and bye-bye.